What are you talking about? Can mommy have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Quimby! Quinn, can mommy have a kiss? Quinner! Quinn! Can I have a kiss? Kiss? Can I have a kiss? I'm gonna kiss you. Kiss me. Give me kisses. Can you give kisses? Quimby. Quinner. Quimby. Can I have a kiss? Can you give Teddy a kiss? Give Teddy a kiss. You were kissing all over a minute ago. Quimby. Is that your book? Is that your book? Quimby. Hi. Can you say hi? You're just not cooperating, are you? You're just not going to cooperate. You talking? Quimby. Kisses? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Is that your tractor? Brum brum. Brum brum. Can mommy have a kiss? Oh, you turn the other way and do it. Can I have a kiss? Quinner.